Hey, great morning, folks. I'm up here in my attic and stuff like that, trying to get ready to. Well, I already started actually. Let me show you what I'm doing real quick and everything. So what I'm doing is I took the panels off my AC unit here, and so I can clean the coils on the inside. What happened? I had a small drip. I guess one of the lines is clogged. This would be the main drain line coming out here with the black tape on it. And so you got two drain lines. You got a backup drain line, which is right here, and stuff like that. You can see some water there, and stuff like that that's supposed to go into the pan and drain right there, and stuff like that. And this is, I guess, an overflow alarm. In case it fills up to a certain amount, the alarm goes off and everything. And so while I was trying to figure out what was going on, I took the panel off while I was up here, and I seen that my coils were dirty. So you can see right there where there's dirt on the coils and everything like that. Not no heavy buildup, but enough to be clean, definitely. And then the drain pan is kind of dark and everything like that, but you can't really see. Yeah, so the drain pan is dirty as well. So I'm gonna attempt to try to clean that as well under the blower motor right here. The wires right here. So what I have here, I picked up from Home Depot. Is AC flow evaporator coil cleaner. You're supposed to be able to spray it on. You can rinse it off. So I got a spray bottle with plain water in it. I kind of rinse it off a little bit. But as you run the unit, this time of year, of course, the unit, I am running it. I'm going to turn it on as soon as I get finished up here. And it'll self-rinse as well. From the condensation that builds up on the coils and everything like that, it'll self-rinse. So on the side, like I said, let me get my light up here so you can see a little bit better. So on the sides of the coils, I sprayed some down there. Got some rust building up down there and everything as well. So you can see the pan a little bit better now. So I got some paper towels and everything. I want to wipe down, like what you see mold build up and everything. That's mold right there building up. So clean all that off, because what happened is that the blow mold was sucking all that and sending that out into my home. The filter is on the intake end, which is down, up in the ceiling. And there's no filter on this side. So that on the outtake and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm gonna clean all this up real good and everything. And hopefully, because like you get like a little musty smell. You start getting like a little musty smell in your house and everything. You might want to check your AC coils and everything like that. From what I understand, watch YouTube videos on it real quick and everything. You can call somebody out here and do this. Make sure your unit is turned off, of course, before you start working on it. But you call somebody out here to do this. It might cost you a few $100s for them to come out and clean and everything like that and so forth. To have the coils totally removed and everything like that, that's going to cost you a whole bunch more and stuff like that. So I can't get on the back side here. Now, when they put this unit in, they made it difficult for this panel to come off. As you can see right here, there's no way I can just pull this panel off without, unhooking all these PVC pipes and everything and rehooking them back up. I don't want to do all that. So I'm going to try to get to it the best I can. But I think it's mainly on top that I got the issue and stuff like that, and get that done. All right, folks, I get this done and everything. I'll show you the result. And after I get it wiped down and cleaned up best I can. All right. Okay, folks, so I'm back and everything. Show you real quick what's going on. So, as you can see in the before and after photo that I just showed you, looks a lot better. Not, best as good as I wanted. Let me put the light back there. Because way up in there, I couldn't get, like way up in that back corner, I couldn't really get with the brush I got right here. It just wouldn't reach up in there. And this isn't the brush you're supposed to use for this. They have a brush for these because you don't want these fins in here are very thin, aluminum fins, and you can easily bend them and stuff like that. So they got a comb that you can use. It's like a type of comb that you use, or a brush to use on these fins and everything. So, and then down here, up under here. I wiped the wires off the best I could. Up under here, the mold and everything. And then the pin the best I could and everything like that. So, excuse me. That's pretty much it. I'm up here early in the morning and stuff like that. So I'm not doing none of this right. I ain't got the proper PPE on, protective equipment and everything, personal protective equipment. Like I'm supposed to, I got gloves, but I ain't even put them on, and I should have a face mask on and everything like that and so forth. But it's vented up here and everything like that and so forth. Attic is a lot of insulation and so forth like that up in here, and yeah. So, and then is that like right here? You have where you got an opening right there, so I can put some duct tape or something, or this kind of stuff they got. I don't know what it is, but put something on there and everything like that, and just visually inspect myself. And if I need to, which I had to do in the past, the unit quit working one point, and so I went outside to the condenser unit outside the house, and that takes all the air from out of the hot air from out of your house and disperses outside and everything like that. Basically, when it's run through the coils, and so I replaced the capacitor out there at one point. I thought that might have been it, but actually it was this the culprit was this blower mold right here. It had to be replaced. Like this was like maybe not even 2 years, I guess, maybe after we had been in the house. I had to do that and so forth. So yeah, that's some general maintenance too. Like the electrical, I'm not, of course, not gonna mess with and everything like that and so forth. But just to inspect and make sure there's no burnt wires or nothing like that, and stuff like that. And that's the breaker and everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it and everything like that and so forth. And we did have one time another house we was living in where lightning struck the outside condenser unit and it fried the whole system. We had to get the whole system replaced before and everything like that and so forth. So we've been in here going on 10 years and stuff like that. And no major problems, just a blow mold and this and everything. No major problems, no appliances, nothing like that in here. I did replace my dishwasher at one point and everything like that because the old one went out. I replaced it with the same brand, model number and everything like that because it fit in just right and so forth. Okay, folks, this is my mouth here and everything. I'm just doing some home improvements. All right.